Another day, another story. The economic disruption caused by Russia's ongoing war in Ukraine has amplified calls for an accelerated energy transition in Europe. A shift that could offer the combined benefits of alleviating the continent's dependence on Russia and cutting down on its use of highly polluting fossil fuels. To keep global warming under 1.5 degrees C, carbon emissions need to reach net zero by 2050, according to the UN. Global power consumption is expected to triple by 2050 as living standards grow worldwide, according to a 2022 report by McKinsey. In their efforts to achieve these complex objectives, energy companies are turning to quantum computing. IBM's Quantum System 1 is the first circuit-based commercial quantum computer, and it's at the forefront of this innovative approach. Decentralizing energy supply networks is one way to get to net zero. These decentralized grids are more efficient and better at linking small-scale renewable sources, offering greater control over the entire network. But managing decentralized grids and optimizing maintenance is incredibly complex. Quantum computing offers solutions to these complex problems. It could also accelerate research in areas like improving energy storage. Energy companies are investing in quantum research to meet the demands of sustainable development and economic gains. E.ON, EDF, and ENI are partnering with quantum computing companies to enhance their operations. Quantum computing holds promise for solving industry challenges. Collaboration between industry partners and startups is crucial for quantum's success in the energy sector. Some companies might be cautious due to the technology's rapid evolution and mission-critical nature of their work. Quantum computing is on a steep trajectory, and companies should consider it sooner rather than later. Quantum, with all its radical promises, isn't going away anytime soon. It's time to get your feet wet. Thanks for watching.